Ed Marsh here with a quick thought on industrial marketing. If you're an industrial manufacturer, you've probably heard about inbound marketing, or maybe heard it called content marketing. You might have tried doing some of it, maybe writing some blog posts or newsletters, and you probably got frustrated. Either because you stuck with it for a while and didn't see results, or because you ran out of gas in trying to keep up with creating the volume of content that's required. And that's common. And so a typical reaction is for companies to wonder about hiring an inbound marketing agency to assist. Now, I've seen this movie play out many times. The answer may well be yes, but you have to be really clear about what your expectations are and what you expect the marketing agency is going to do for you. Because here's the reality. They're not going to create good, consistent, technically sound content. They simply don't have the industry familiarity or expertise. Sure, they have copywriters on staff or contractors that help with writing and optimization tasks, and they probably have a list of industrial manufacturing firms they point to and have reviews from and case studies about. But they're not going to create content at the volume and pace that you need that meets your expectations and provides significant value for your prospects and customers. And if they do feed you a lot of content, it's going to take a lot of editing by your team, which, probably means you. There is no shortcut. It's going to take a significant resource investment for you and your team to create the articles, guides, videos, graphics, and other content that's required. That means research, planning, writing, editing, publishing, and in some cases, recording and producing as well. So no matter what they say, don't hire an inbound marketing agency thinking that it's an easy button for content creation. Get yourself Marcus Sheridan's book, They Ask, We Answer, and understand what's required. If you're in after reading that, then by all means hire a journalist and an editor and maybe a videographer. That being said, just because an agency is not going to create all your content is still a valid question. Should you hire an inbound marketing agency? The answer may be yes, because there's lots of tasks associated with great content marketing with which a good digital marketing agency can help. Perhaps they can do qualitative buyer research via persona interviews. They can certainly do SEO research and help to create an editorial calendar. Even the mechanics of optimizing posts and publishing them requires a series of admin steps which they can handle for you. If you don't hire an agency, you'll have to hire an internal marketing operations person. And, realistically, you might need to do both. But the agency could possibly offset the investment you'd make in payroll and benefits for an internal person. With an agency, you'll also get graphic design, some marketing automation software support, help with social media, perhaps some ads management, and some other functions that you probably don't have internal talent for. So hiring an inbound marketing agency might well make good business sense. Just go into it understanding that they're not going to solve your content creation challenge for you.